Welcome to this fifth video on plane geometry, where we focus on finding the midpoint of a segment. How do we find the exact center of a distance? Geometry provides the precise tools needed to locate the halfway point in design, engineering, and other fields. Let's investigate a simple case on a number line. Consider points M, I, and D with coordinates -5, 1, and 7 respectively, and explore their relationship. Step 1 is to measure the distance from M to I. The distance between 2 points is the absolute value of the difference between their coordinates. Mi equals the absolute value of 1 minus -5, which is 6. Step 2. Measure the distance from I to D using the same method. ID equals the absolute value of 7 minus 1, which is also 6. Looking at the illustration given, the key observation here is that the distance from M to I is exactly the same as the distance from I to D. Therefore, point I is perfectly in the middle of segment MD. This leads us to the definition of the midpoint. A point M is a midpoint of segment AB if M is between A and B, and the distance AM equals the distance BM. You may pause the video and study closely the illustration. Segments with equal length are called congruent segments. We use identical tick marks as visual shorthand to show that two segments are congruent. In symbols, AM is congruent to BM. A related concept is the segment bisector. A point, segment, or line is a bisector of a line segment if it divides the segment into two congruent parts at the midpoint. Here is a challenge. If I is the midpoint of RP with endpoints R at -7 and P at 11, what is the coordinate of I? Let's do this. We will use a three-step solution strategy. Step 1 is to find the total distance, Step 2 is to calculate the half distance, and Step 3 is to locate the point. Solution. Step 1. Find the total distance. The length of segment RP is the absolute value of 11 minus -7, which is 18 units. Solution. Step 2. Divide the distance by 2. Since the midpoint divides the segment into two equal parts, the length of each half is 18 divided by 2, which equals 9. Solution. Step 3. Locate the midpoint. We add the half distance, 9 units, to the starting coordinate R at -7. The coordinate of I is -7 plus 9, which equals 2. The solution visualized confirms that the coordinate of I is 2. The distance from I at 2 to P at 11 is 9, verifying our result, since 9 plus 9 equals 18. A more efficient method is the midpoint formula. For any 2 points with coordinates x1 and x2, you can find the midpoint coordinate by simply averaging their coordinates. Midpoint equals x1 plus x2 / 2. Let's verify the formula with our previous problem. I equals R plus P divided by 2, which is -7 plus 11 divided by 2. This results in 4 divided by 2, giving I equal to 2. The key concepts are the midpoint, which divides a segment into two congruent parts, and the bisector, which passes through the midpoint. The methods are the distance method and the efficient formula method. Here is the summary of what we have talked today. Have a pause and take a shot. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, no problem, only solution.